Well, hi, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Soaring Together. My husband Ricky and I, if you're new to the channel, we have been traveling in our RV for almost 3 years now. So right now we are at our son and daughter-in-law's house, and if you watched last week's video, you'll see that we did a walkthrough of their mini camper van. So if you didn't watch that video, please go back and watch it. They camp a little different than we do. They camp small, but real cool setup that they have. And in this week's video, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to be showing you some RV cleaning and maintenance, and I'm going to hang some wallpaper. But right now, Ricky is down at my brother's house servicing the truck, getting the oil changed and maintenance in that, because we're going to be hitting the road in a few days. We're going to travel up to East Tennessee. So in the next couple weeks videos, we'll take you on some motorcycle rides through the mountains, and we're excited about that. We're going to meet up with some friends and just have a good time. But right now, we're going to take you and let you do some cleaning with us and hang some wallpaper. Well, ever so often in our RV life, we have to do some deep cleaning and RV maintenance. So today, Ricky is cleaning the roof, so let's take a look. Well, we have the Flex Armor roof, so there's hardly any maintenance at all, other than he just cleans with a little Dawn and water. The slide tops are not Flex Armor, so he cleans the rubber on those with an RV rubber roof cleaner from Amazon, and then applies a rubber roof sealer for added protection. Today we are cleaning with the Chemical Guys Hydro Sud ceramic car wash soap. So we put that in our little canister and spray it on with the pressure washer. We are finished. Teamwork!
Yeah, you should have heard us a while ago.
Well, right now we're cleaning our window awnings and our big awnings, and we're going to use the vinyl sauce cleaner. It's a professional vinyl, leather, and upholstery cleaner, and we're going to apply that with a damp cloth. And then next we're going to apply the vinyl sauce, vinyl, leather, rubber, UV protection moisturizer. So get those moisturized really good so they don't crack on us. And we're going to apply that with a dry cloth. And the best part about these cleaners, they are proudly made in the USA. And my next project is to clean the windows. So to clean the awning, we roll it all the way out. He reaches over and cleans as much as he can clean, and then we roll it up, roll up the clean part to where the dirt starts. I wanted to make a few changes in our RV. We've had this DRV JX450 for almost 2 years now. Man, the time sure has flown by. But yeah, I wanted to do something different, so I papered this wall. And did I make some big mistakes? Well, it has been years since I have papered a wall, and that was back when we owned our home, and I did put some wallpaper on sheetrock. But I had never used the peel and stick paper, and I read a lot of reviews that said this was very easy, and should you decide to take the paper off the wall, it peels off very easy, doesn't leave any residue behind. So that's what I thought I would try. So I have that paper on the wall behind me, and it's coming off. So my tip number one is I'll never use peel and stick paper in my RV again. I read the reviews, and it said that you needed to prep the wall, and which I did not do. So I went back. After this started coming off the wall, I went back and I took a section over the door off, and I prepped it just like the reviews said, or the instructions, and prepped it with some alcohol water to clean any grease or residue off the wall. And then I applied a brand new piece of the peel and stick paper, and it still didn't work. It's coming off. So right now, I'm in the process of removing this paper. So now I have all of the old paper removed, and I'll get to work in prepping the wall to hang the new paper. Tip number 2, I'm going to use the Shields clear wall size to prepare the wall for the pre-pasted paper. I'll be applying this with a small roller brush, and the instructions say to put 2 coats and let them dry an hour or so in between coats. So here we go. So now I have this pre-pasted paper that we're going to be putting on the wall. So hopefully this will stick better than the peel and stick did. So I have my first piece of paper cut. I'm going to soak it in the water for 15 seconds. And then I'm going to lay it out, fold it, and lay it out for a couple minutes before hanging. And this is room temperature water. It says to fold the pasted side together. So we're just going to do that. Let it go together as I pull it out of the water. says to let that set for a couple minutes like that, to let that glue get wet on the paper. So now we're going to go up with our first piece of paper. Just unfold it. Well, I have my project complete. I have my shiplap wallpaper hung, and this is the pre-pasted wallpaper. So another tip for you is get the pre-pasted wallpaper. So I'm real happy, I'm real pleased with this. It seems like it's all going to stick really well. Well, the wallpaper was kind of a job for me, but I learned some things. Number one tip, I learned that I'm probably never going to use the peel and stick paper in our RV again, but I did revert back to the way I hung paper years ago, and I did use the pre-pasted paper, and it seems to be holding up well. So if you have any pointers or any tips, or if you've hung wallpaper in your RV, leave me some comments below and let me know what you did, and if the peel and stick worked for you. Maybe I was doing something wrong, but just drop me a comment and let me know. So we just want to thank all of you for following us along on our journey, and we'll see you in a few weeks as we ride the Smoky Mountains of Tennessee. Thanks for watching.